I'm tinkering around in the garage. Got some headlights off of Amazon. I got one installed. So today we're gonna hopefully change all four of them. They actually need to be rewired, sort of. It's not too bad. Sort of a plug-in harness adapter. But aside from that, shouldn't be too difficult. So these are the OEM glass halogen, and these are LED projectors. They do have an extra little feature, an extra little wire you can hook up. So I'm gonna try to do that as well. Let's get into it. DZ Club 4x6 LED lights, high-low beam. I ordered 4 of them. The backing is aluminum, so that's good. I think the lens is some kind of plastic. And they come with an extra little plug-in wire, but this 3-prong plug-in is the same as what the Camaro would have from factory. However, they do plug right in, but the pinout is different. So I think they call this a H4, and they call this a SAE 3-prong, but even though they plug right in, they do have to be adapted, the pinout or the harness. Camaro's covered in undercoating and stuff. I cleaned some of it, wiped some of it off just to show what's underneath of there, but yeah, she's a little dirty, but I'm glad that the previous owner undercoated it, because that's what saved it, I think. So it's not too bad. There's 2 screws here to open up the top of this bezel, and the bottom has a slot. The bottom had a slot on this one, so it shouldn't be too hard. Sometimes you can just pry the top open and get the headlight out, and sometimes it's not that easy. The bottom screws are a little tight to get at because of this bumper. Plastic bumper's up quite high. So you can buy these plug-in adapters, but I opted to sort of make some. So it's just a 3-prong ordeal there, and I put 3 flat spade connectors on this end. These pigtails are like anywhere between, I don't know, $5 or $10 each. So pigtail, my girlfriend didn't believe me when I told her what they were called. So $10 each. I got them for $5 each because I'm a smooth operator. So you can actually get a set of these off Amazon for like $20, but I didn't want to wait 2 days to get them, so here I am. I'm just taking some flat terminals and putting them on here. And what that does is it allows you to pin them out however you want. So I'm going to plug this into the headlight. I'm going to plug these 3 into the car, and I'll figure out what's what. So the car comes with all 4 high beams, I think, and the low beam only works on the one side, I'm pretty sure. So technically you could make all 4 lows, all 4 highs. So we'll see what we can do. And later on, we're probably gonna get this. It's supposed to be a demon eye. It's supposed to be a red light in the projector. This under part lights up as well. So that's not going to be part of this. That's going to be a separate little wire. So I'm going to have to get into that. I was thinking about running them off the parking lights, and that would be kind of cool to have the demon eye on with the parking light. I might be able to run a wire over, and then we can have both of them on for low beams as well, but for now we're just gonna bolt them in and plug them in. So I just took the 2 screws out of the top on this one, and the bottom ones are slotted. I don't know if they're all slotted or not, but that sure does make it handy because you can just drop it into the lower screws or the lower screws don't have to be all the way out or all the way tight to get it in and out, so that's good. And 3 prongs on the back. So we're gonna take this out. We're gonna put this bezel, housing bezel, on here like that. So if you plug this right into the 3 prong, it didn't work out for me. So on this one, I made one of these adapters, and I figured out how to pin it out. But I'll probably throw up a screenshot or a diagram or something so you can see how it goes exactly without trial and error. So I know on one of them the ground is down here in the center. I don't know if it's the H4 or if it's the 3-pin SAE. And the other one has the ground off to one side or the other. I can't remember which it is. But this is just gonna plug in here. And then these 3, I'll rearrange them and plug them into the female housing here. So now this should just plug directly into the headlight, and bada bing, bada boom. Bob's your uncle, Sally's your sister. Okay, I got the passenger side outer high-low beam installed. It's only a couple screws. I'm gonna test it, turn them on and see what they do. One of the previous owners did this, not me. I'm not responsible for that. Seriously, this is the way I bought the car. There's this, and there's this. And the wires go down there to, looks like fog lights. Oof. So yeah, previous owner put fog lights in the bumper, which is fine, I guess. I don't know. But this is kind of ugly. So let's test them out and see how they go. Driver seat kind of sucks. I haven't showed the interior in this car yet. It's not bad. It's got carpets fading, but the driver's seat's the worst. Headlights. That's the low. And high. Look at the fighter jet gauges, aren't they pretty cool? It reminds me of like a fighter jet or something. And it has both. It has metric on one side and SAE on the other side. We got you covered either way. So that's pretty interesting. Looks like a new washer fluid bottle. What do you think about that? That's the low beam. There's no projector on the low beam, no center light on the low beam. So yeah, they're both working. Try the high beam. High beam, the projector comes on. It should come on with the demon eyes as well. It's just a little red LED or something in there. And you can see one of my high beams is not working apparently. Or did I unplug it? Yeah, I unplugged it. Probably in preparation for these, to install these. I do have 2 more to go here. They only come on with the high beam. This one sucks apparently, I don't know. So I decided to make a little split harness here that has 1 in and 2 out. So I can run the low beams, quad low beams. So low beam would be here, but I'm gonna run this so I can run low beams on both sides and have quad low beams. Freaking quad beams. With the quad high beams.
Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, it's like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. You always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo.